we're on day 2 now. We've cleared everything, got the shed down, got all the ivy back, moved the bamboo, so you can basically see the shape of the garden room. So it's going to come square off there. It'll run 3.7 that way, return in there, and then this area there will be a storage room. There'll be a full float window there, French doors there, and then there'll be a window corner feature there as well. So what we're going to do now, we're going to get the rods in, dig some holes, get the rods in and get the base in, and I'll give you a little tutorial how we're going to do that as well as we're doing it. Thanks. So end of day 2, we're held up on this one now. There's been loads of rocks and bricks and stones and all kinds of crap in these holes, but we've dug out his holes now. I think it's 27. So tomorrow what we'll do, we'll drop us rods in and concrete the holes and put us piles in. We'll get the rods in for the base tomorrow, and we might run the Cat 5 cable as well and the power cable, because it's not going to take us all day. Held up, but we'll catch it, we'll make up time, won't we, John, I'd imagine. Yeah, alright, thanks.